Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel Tech Zone. Over the last year, Meta's instant messaging software WhatsApp has added a slew of new features and changes. Customers are asking for future features right now. WhatsApp now has many features to provide clients with a better conversation experience. So, let's start today's video on 10 WhatsApp upcoming features expected to launch in 2022. Here we begin. Some future features have already been tested in the app's beta version, while others are still in the works. A few days ago, WhatsApp Trade Tracker Wabeta Info advised that the app be launched in a new model to show the sender's profile and notifications as soon as an iOS user gets a message. The new WhatsApp feature is meant to make the celebration of client messages more beautiful. Before releasing an Android or iOS app to the general public, WhatsApp often tested for future features in beta. In doing so, we've compiled a list of forthcoming features, which you can see below. But first, look at the new features available in 2022. There is no time limit for deleting communications that have been sent. You can erase messages sent to WhatsApp with a time restriction of up to 4,096 seconds or 68 minutes and 16 seconds after they've been sent. According to a recent assessment, Meta-owned applications are using the beta approach to test new features and are hitting their limitations as quickly as possible for everyone. Customers may now remove previously sent messages at any moment, thanks to a revolutionary new functionality. There is no information regarding how this option works. In alerts, include a picture of your profile. Instant messaging applications are testing a new feature that displays a user's photo in alerts on iOS devices when they receive new messages from friends and groups. Features of the WhatsApp community. WhatsApp is testing a whole new networking function that looks a lot like Discord companies and channels. This cannot be compared to the assets of an existing WhatsApp business. This new signature organization allows administrators to connect more closely with the app's unique features. For example, administrators can set up to 10 firms in the network and send messages to everyone. In addition, it's possible to encrypt and terminate network chat. This attribute may be implemented in the not-too-distant future. Logout of WhatsApp. WhatsApp is exploring a new feature called Logout to replace the Delete Account button, according to the Wabeta Info file. As a result, customers may now authorize WhatsApp debt from their handsets, like Facebook and other social networking applications. In addition, customers will be able to settle their debt on many devices simultaneously with a new logout option. WhatsApp's new beta strategy has lately highlighted this feature. Unfortunately, the logout attributes may be too early for both iOS and Android versions of the program. Reaction to the message customers of WhatsApp, like those of Instagram and Facebook, aim to react to photo-based communications as rapidly as possible. Wabeta Info was told about the functionality preview. Customers can answer messages using 6 emojis, which is known as message response. In addition, users can find message reactions in the character's conversation thread, in addition to the organization's chat. Customers can also use an alternative to response notifications to enable or disable message response notifications. At the same time, share media and handle receipts. Before sharing material, WhatsApp users may rapidly pick additional recipients. Insurance through WhatsApp. Customers who have reported a problem with WhatsApp may immediately buy in India using the app. In addition, through a partnership with an approved cash supply source, the instant messaging app is preparing to introduce medical health insurance and micro-annuity products on the Indian messaging platform. Initially, WhatsApp will use the platform for marketing SBI General Sachet Medical Health Insurance Food and HDFC Pension Plan. Instagram significance in WhatsApp. WhatsApp has launched a new feature that allows users to see Instagram Reels directly from their chat app. This is said to be part of a larger effort to connect WhatsApp with Facebook's other apps. Save your reading for later. WhatsApp provides the ability to improve the qualities of archived chats and swiftly analyze the following characteristics. Customers will no longer receive message alerts from this chat after the conversation is moved later in the survey. In addition, on the most powerful models, this function adds an excursion mode that makes Learn Later talks seem like archived chats. The Edit button allows the user to change the parameters. As a result, some communications can be rapidly unarchived by WhatsApp users. This concludes today's video. If you enjoy our videos, please hit the subscribe button.